Hi, welcome again to my channel Dacty for you. So in today's video I'm sharing with you how I make my turmeric puff puff. This is a very simple and nutritious recipe, so without wasting much time, let's get into this recipe. So first we will start by activating our yeast. So in a bowl, add in your one cup of warm water, and then add in your yeast, sugar, stir everything in, and then you cover it and set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes and allow it to rise. In a bowl, I have in my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour that I have sieved. In there, add in your salt, sugar, nutmeg, and your turmeric powder. So I'll make sure to leave everything that I'm using in this recipe in the descriptive box below, so please do well to check it out. So stir everything in and then add in your yeast to it. So this is the yeast at this time. Go ahead and then add it in and then mix everything together. Please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much. So go ahead and then add in water little by little whilst you mix everything together. You don't want to add a lot of water on the go. It can make it too light, so you add in the water as you go until you get the texture that you are looking for. So at this time I'm trying to break all the lumps in the dough using my hand. So I try to use my hand to beat the dough so that every lump in it will be broken. So that is what I'm trying to do. So if you need more water, then you add it in little by little, but at this time this texture is what I'm looking for, so it's all good now. So now I'm going to clean the edges and then I'll cover it and then put it in a warm place for it to rise for about 2 to 3 hours. Yes, it's very cold here, so it depends the temperature at the place that you are or where you live, but here today it's very cold, so I'm even praying that after 2 to 3 hours it will prove. So this is after about 4 hours, and this is how our dough is looking like. It has double in size at this time, so I'm just trying to dip my hand in to let some of the air go out, and then we go ahead and fry it. We are doing all this on a medium heat. Make sure that your oil is hot before you put in your dough. Yes, so you see the oil is hot, so that when you put it in some few seconds, then the dough try to rise up. It will just try to rise up. The puff puff will be rising up. So this is it. At this time, try to turn it and do not do this on a high heat. If you do that, it can burn the puff puff outside and then the inside will not be cooked. So try turning this until it become golden brown. So this is it. At this time, our puff puff was all done. It was ready, so we are just going to get it out of the oil, and I'm telling you, this was so yummy and delicious. So you can pair this with your favorite drink. You can eat it like that. You can eat this with Hausa cocoa, cold kenke, pudding, anything of your choice. So thank you all so much. You can as well eat this with roasted peanut, and God bless you. Stay safe.